Hello dear students, welcome back to IAS in-depth classes. In this video, you're going to learn more about atolls. You might have heard about this particular terminology in your school days. So what are atolls? Please look at your screen. So can you see the continent Australia? To the east of Australia, you'll be able to see New Zealand, and to the east of New Zealand you'll be able to see Pacific Ocean. It's a very large ocean, right? It is bordered by, in the north western region, Asia, basically the countries of China and Russia, and to the south you'll be able to see Australia, and in the eastern border of Pacific Ocean you'll be able to see South America or Latin America, and to the north you'll be able to see North America and Central America. So atolls, there are hundreds of atolls in the world, and a large number of atolls are located in the Pacific Ocean. So I want to show you an example of atolls so that you'll be able to understand it better. So to the north of New Zealand, New Zealand is an independent country. To the north of New Zealand, you will be able to see a dependent territory of New Zealand. Basically, these are Pacific Ocean islands. And to locate it with a better understanding, you can locate the island of American Samoa, right? To the north of American Samoa, you will be able to see Tokelau, which is a dependent territory of New Zealand. So these are basically atolls. These islands are basically atolls. I'll start with the first one, right? So can you see the rim portion of this island? These are corals. So these are coral rims. Inside you will be able to see shallow water body. These shallow water bodies are known as lagoons. Okay, so this kind of islands are known as atolls. So there will be coral rims, and inside there will be a shallow water body named lagoons. So the first example of, it's a part of Tokelau, and the first island, atoll island, its name is Atafu, right? On the screen you are seeing Atafu. Basically, people are living in this land. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see a lot of settlements, right? So this is Atafu. It's a part of Tokelau Islands, and Tokelau is a dependent territory of New Zealand. And to the south or to the southeast, you'll be able to see another atoll named Nukunono, and to the southeast another atoll named Whakaofo. These are all part of Tokelau, a dependent territory of New Zealand. I hope you are very clear about atolls now. Thank you for listening to this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.